2018 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, fog lights, compass, trip computer, CD player, security system, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.